Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 6500 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush, a powerhouse for your oral hygiene routine. This innovative toothbrush offers gentle whitening, reducing cavities and whitening teeth in just 1 week, thanks to its advanced sonic technology that delivers up to 62,000 brush movements per minute. With its smart pressure sensor, it automatically detects and warns you if you're brushing too hard, reducing vibrations to protect your gums. Customize your brushing experience with 3 cleaning modes: clean, white, and gum care, each offering 3 intensity levels for personalized care. The BrushSync technology is a game changer, recognizing the brush head type and adjusting to the correct intensity mode while reminding you when it's time for a replacement. Perfect for travel, this toothbrush comes with a USB charging travel case, and its impressive 14-day battery life ensures you won't miss a beat in your oral care routine. Included in the set are 2 W2 diamond clean brush heads, a handle, and a charger, making it the ultimate companion for maintaining a bright, healthy smile wherever you go. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.